Hi. Support the local economy. I'm about to taste from the fountain of youth, 70% alcohol. Welcome to China. Today we are in the distillery Jiangchaobai. I hope my pronunciation is correct. If not, doesn't really matter because I just arrived, so I have a few excuses. Anyway, the other day I tried Baijiu for my first time and suddenly I got invited to a Baijiu distillery. So let's go check it out. Joining me in this video we have reporter for media from Chongqing.
There's Joey.
Joey.
Joey knows everything about Baijiu.
Come in the shot, come in the shot. Oh, well, welcome, welcome. No need to be shy. My English is not that great, so your English will be fine.
How big is this company? Is it the largest Baijiu, or second, or third?
The largest Baijiu distillery in Chongqing.
It is?
Yeah.
I know it is super early in the morning, but I have a main question for you.
Okay.
Can we try some of that Baijiu?
Yeah.
For breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
As you can imagine, this distillery is huge and you need directions. 125 acres of pure alcohol everywhere hidden in this place. Just unbelievable. Oh, watch your step. This place is massive. As you can see, it is super hot. Next to this machine, alcohol and so on. When you will visit this distillery, you will learn that there is a 9-step process to make Baijiu. Of course, it all starts by getting the ingredients from this plant that came from Africa over 5,000 years ago. Then you have to do some soaking, steaming, cooling, adding QU, which is a combination of mold, yeast and bacteria, and then fermentation, distillation, cellaring and confirming the percentage of alcohol. It's all very fascinating and worth seeing in person, especially when they show you the older facility where the ancient methods and traditions are still applied, and where the strong men carry over 250 kilograms without even blinking. If I was working in such a place, I would be shirtless too. I actually been thinking about it so much, about taking it out, but let's behave.
This is Baijiu.
Wow, look at how beautiful that is.
I'm about to taste from the fountain of youth, 70% alcohol.
Clear as water.
Pure. So I need to, like this? Guys, smells very nice, also strong.
How's that?
Nice. I think I was partying last night and I still feel the effects, but we continue for breakfast. I didn't have food today, so thank you. Okay guys, it is actually very strong, and I wanted to ask, is this the final result or does it have to go through another process?
This is the final.
This is the final result.
Yeah.
So after you fill these containers, what do you do?
We put this Baijiu to our cellar. So
To our
let's go
cellar.
find out.
Okay, let's go check it. Shisha.
Thank you.
So we're putting Ponte to work here in China. How does it feel? Your first day at work in China?
Yeah, that's very cool. I will finally get the Chinese visa to stay here longer. It's pretty comfortable and the wheels are really good. Like the wheels are amazing. Everything goes super smooth. I can see it's probably oiled and I can play with it.
So, tell me, Joey, how many people work in this entire location?
1,000 people.
Wow.
1,000.
1,000 people work here, Ponte. 1,000 people.
Now 1001.
1,001. Do you ever close the factory?
No.
Never.
When Chinese New Year, we take off 7 days.
7 days.
7 days.
And every day in this year we work here.
The uniform is free, okay, what they wear. Look at these guys, wow.
Oh, there is a lady working here. Schumacher. Joey is the PR guy of the company. I've been learning so much from him, and I was asking about the conditions of the workers. Practically they do work from 8 AM until 3 PM, then they get the rest of the day for free. And this one, it's a small town near Chongqing, 114,000 people, right?
Yes, right.
And so what about nightlife? Like, what do they do, the workers at night?
Back to your family.
Back to your family.
With the kids.
They are good people. Okay, I'm the spoiled foreigner. Okay, I will go drink Baijiu also for them.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Jobo is our English name.
Oh, I see. So I can read Chinese for once.
Yes.
This so far has been a really interesting experience. I would have never expected to end up in China, and especially in a distillery of Baijiu. Thank you. Thank you.
This is all our treasures here.
This is your treasure. Treasure. Oh.
For you, not for Alex.
How is it possible that you get access to some place that I can't?
No,
Treasure.
for other people, for you guys.
Okay.
So
but first you said it was only for me, now it's for Alex
first
too.
I inside.
Oh,
This is for you.
Ponte. I like Ponte, okay? The beautiful thing is now we're finally getting to come inside. I've never been in here before. This is great.
You can see. Wait.
Tell me what's written.
2017.
So this has been here 6 years. This has been here 6
that's
years.
that's very expensive to make Baijiu. You need to accumulate it for a while.
So what would something like this be worth in RMB? How much?
Maybe
Go on.
20,000.
200,000 RMB.
Okay.
Yeah.
Each one of those
And some of them are way higher too.
are $30,000.
Yeah,
Each
yeah.
one of those is $30,000. So, how many millions do you have down here?
I don't know. Yeah.
Too many to count.
Amazing.
Many young people
We're starting to drink it.
like our brand.
They like your
China.
brand.
Yeah. The popular brand in China for young people is Zhangjiaobai.
Zhangjiabai.
Yeah.
Because I used to think
He's a good PR guy, very good.
I used to think Baijiu was kind of like an old guy's drink.
So the average salary for these distillery workers is about 6,000 RMB a month, which is about 900 USD. Now, if you're watching from America, you probably think that $900 a month is nothing, but just imagine that in Italy, if you work in a supermarket, you're gonna get about $1,000 a month if you have a full-time contract, and if you have a part-time contract, you're gonna get much less, and life in Italy is at least 5 times more expensive than here in China. Oh, product display. Yeah.
This is a plum wine.
Plum wine.
Plum wine. Okay.
Yeah.
We got 15%, 20%.
Have a try. Yeah.
I think Michele Ponte needs to try some of this. I have the luxury of now watching him indulge in alcohol in China.
She will drink too? Oh, she will do for herself? A shot. Yo, what was it?
Cheers.
Oh,
Cheers.
wow. Okay.
Yeah.
What a charming Italian.
I can show you.
Join me.
Yeah.
Yes. Show me. You're proud of your product.
That's the crown.
It goes down very, very smoothly. Completely different from the Baijiu, the original one that we tried over there at the farm. I like the very, very colorful bottle.
Just drink it, huh?
Alex.
China style.
Come on.
No breakfast. Coming out from the club yesterday night, very, very late, to waking up this morning after almost no sleeping. Nice.
Which bottle did you drink, Ponte? How many percent alcohol is that?
This video is gonna get funny.
40%. Most foreigners.
Yeah.
Like this.
40%?
40%. Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Now, just for a disclaimer, this is not Reportify Media's idea. This is Michele Ponte's idea. Can we see the bottle, please? Thank you.
Yes.
This is, how many percent alcohol? This is 52.
Guys, you decided to kill me. Maybe we're gonna add some humor to this video. Let's find out.
It's more smooth for
Smooth. Yeah.
Yeah, more than vodka.
If you like vodka, you should go with something like that. I'm not an expert. If you want something smoother, this. If you want to enjoy smoothly without any harsh throat, I don't know, after effects.
Joey, the strongest one now. Where's the highest alcohol?
High is this one.
Oh,
Let me see.
So you see?
60 to 60. Okay, so it's probably is it open?
try this?
Is it open?
Yeah,
it is open. Okay, that's great. It's open. It's
Let's do it very tiny. Can you move to this side for
sure,
the
sure.
light?
Yeah, tell me.
Because it comes
We can film all over again if you want.
No, I cannot drink all over again. What? So much?
I will try.
Okay. This is how much? 30 degrees? No.
65.
68% alcohol.
But here is 65.
This is
That's
degree,
the percentage of alcohol. That's the degrees.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna die, but hopefully
Better
an
for
ambulance
you.
will bring me back to Chongqing. This is nice. This is very different.
Try one more. Just give one more shot. Yeah, one more shot. Just one more. Yeah, Joy. Yeah. One more, Ponte. One more. I mean, how many times can you drink a 68? Look, and it even says VIP. You cannot say no to that. Okay, come on.
Oh my gosh, my stomach.
Maybe I'll try one too, Joy. Yeah, I'll try one too.
Let's make Alex.
And Joy, I think Joy should try one as well.
Do you want me to film it?
No, I'm okay. I prefer to watch you get absolutely
wasted.
They call it elegantly wasted.
Come in the shot. Salute in italiano. Salute.
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 Oh. Now, let me tell you one secret. When you come to Europe, if you meet a girl, in Poland especially, or Eastern Europe, you take a shot of vodka like this, and then you drink it like, okay? Remember this for the future.
I remember. Yeah. Thank you.
Wow.
We also sell this for the international
market.
And this one. Yeah.
I really like the graphics. There is a nice pig over here. Probably it's not gonna be sold in a Muslim country, but
yeah, this,
there is a rabbit with wings. Just beautiful.
Well, we are in the year of the rabbit right now, right?
Oh, that's why.
Year of the rabbit.
Chinese zodiac. So I'm learning something. Yeah. And also, some of these bottles are extremely beautiful. This is pure art around the bottle. Very nice. That's something I will probably export to Europe.
Most popular in international market.
Show you.
This one.
Steal this one.
You can
401.
take this one.
41K.
Why
because it's the
401?
retirement for US people. I could have stayed in the distillery trying every single product, but instead I asked Joey if he could show me the little town where the workers live. I think they are playing some game over here. Oh, what is dominoes? Look at this. That's really cool. Maybe one day I will learn how to play this game. It's super interesting. Wow, very beautiful. Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. I pick up some ladies for my grandpa, not for me. So we are simply walking around the city to see what is like the vibe for the distillery workers, and I think they do enjoy the life over here. It looks like being in Italy. Small, short buildings and very nice, peaceful vibes. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. Where are we? It looks like an Italian village. What is this game? Huh? Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, it's actually the water is pretty transparent. I can see everything. Really cool. Nice town.
It's a very nice and peaceful town.
Super peaceful. I think we're gonna retire here and play these games all day.
Yeah.
Anyway, I will say it is about time to have some food. There are some locals selling fruits and veggies here on the streets. Super nice. Vegetables. Eat! Like this? So I need to eat the leaves. Okay. The street food. Whoa, why she made this sound? Why is she worried about me? How much does it cost?
Yes, cheap.
How much? Okay, can I send her 10 yen or 20 yen on Alipay? Yeah. Let's...
You like this?
No, I just want to give it to her. Just want to give her some money. I want to promote the local economy. I don't need 300 grams of it. Oh, that's a nice experience. No, I just wanted to support the local economy. I don't want to get too much. So the translation of what we just got is called the Ice Angel, which maybe I'll be blessed after this. I don't know. Where are we heading? So here we go again. No breakfast, but at least we can count exactly how many milliliters. That's super fun glass.
You can try this first.
Okay, you tell me. Here? No. Here. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay.
You know, since you work at Zhangjiabai, is it every day are you pouring?
No. Yeah,
Cheers. Super smooth.
Oh, no problem.
Almost no alcohol. Oh, that's easy.
No problem.
That's easy. No, it's like cider. Super nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah. We give this to children in Germany.
Okay.
Joking.
Oh.
What?
Don't worry, it's special.
That's it. That's enough.
And I have the I cover the
I love you, Joey. Don't worry.
I still didn't drink today. I didn't have breakfast today.
Classic words.
And now it's lunchtime. This is the only video where you guys are actually trying to get me drunk. What can I try? Sorry.
no distillery.
Okay, so there is no alcohol in it.
Yes.
Or do we have alcohol?
6%.
6%. Yeah, it's
It's a
nothing.
starter kit.
So I'll give you.
Your little shooter glass.
Yeah. How do we use this glass with the milliliters? So much. So much.
No.
It's good for your health.
Yeah, for sure. I prefer the other one. The cider one is better. This one is sweet. It's like, yeah, I can feel the rice. I can totally feel the rice. So, duck soup. Feels very healthy. I am not used to grabbing food before it gets away from me, especially with this. Okay. How do you grab the fish then? Now we get. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Salute. Cheers. So we just got the Chinese hamburger. Okay. You open it in half. And that's what you do. 2 slices. Oh, that's good.
That's okay.
Okay.
So what kind of, is that pork or beef or what?
Yeah.
Pork.
Pork. Yeah. When's the last time?
How do I grab rice? Oh.
And
if every YouTuber gets treated like this, suddenly everyone will start shooting videos in China.